Hey guys, what's up? Chewy Snow here, and welcome back to Rebuild. Now, if I remember correctly, we were on our way to the town hall, city hall, which is here. So, I've been having a look around, and I can't exactly find anything useful at this rate. That should change soon. Send these people off there. Zombie attack. Oh yeah, I found out that I found out that actually this game is on the tablet, Kindle, whatever. Kindle. I got it. I'm gonna get it on the Kindle Fire HD because that's what I have. But you know, I think you can maybe get this on iPad. I'm not sure. That's overrun. Oh, that has food. Yeah, I'm need some. What is that? Okay, we have a thing. Why would you need that? I'm sorry, but I need to go there, see what that's about. Let's reclaim this area here. Leah Kabute came down with a fever and a nasty cough, given we had a hospital. Okay. And keep the Z on the other side of these walls. Right, let's train some people. Let's do some soldier training. Actually, let's do some building training. Not her. Maybe can we turn? No, we can't turn those into anything. Pity. Could have like turned us maybe some more houses. Now, before we do anything, I want to see what that's about. Zombie sort horde. Halfway to having the city under control. Right, I'm gonna kill zombies here because I think there's something with that rubble. And I really want to see what's actually up. Can we? No. Well, at least we're at 100%, which is pretty good. Pine Entertainment Centre. Wow. Yeah, because I think, honestly, there's something there. Church of the Chosen Ones. Okay. Let's kill some more zombies. Zombie attack. Nobody died. No problem. I didn't know zombies could swim before today. I found one in a swimming pool, kind of bobbing along, and nature buoyancy seemed to be enjoying itself. I only found out because I wasn't actually paying attention, but these are being said by different people, and I honestly didn't notice that. Where are my builders? Zombie attack. Everyone's a little shit. Down to eating dolphin rodents when this was fit. Didn't I mention that people need to eat? Yeah. Running out of food upsets everyone. People may. Hold on, give me a second, please. No! Okay. So, running out of food upsets everyone. People may stop working, leave the city, or even die. Okay. Dangerous world, sometimes people die. If you're lucky, they'll only be injured and spend 3 days in hospital. I think you said that, didn't you? That's what I could have sworn you said something like that. I always say 3 because I found out that 3 of them can carry like 15 or something like that. 2, 16. Cool. Right, let's reclaim some areas. There's like one zombie. And it takes 2 days. Soda's just so badass even though wrists are oppressed. I'm gonna search up some. That's preservation. So that'll be... I'm gonna go stick with that. Yeah, I'll start there and then maybe train some more people to be scientists. People that... Let's do her and him. Nah, let's just do her. Maybe we could turn this into a defense. Pay visit. He wants to buy an unused sledgehammer 20 foot. Should we trade? Yes, we don't need it, I don't think. Cleared hospital. Some days everything just seems to go right. Didn't have a look at tremble to nice zombies, and the sun is actually shining for once. Okay, so Monday. The last judgment gang. The gang's bikes are so loud you can hear them clear across this silent city. Good thing, because we had plenty of warning and our guards were ready when they tried to raid us. That's good, we didn't lose anything I just gained. Got new apartments. We can fortify this place, which is quite frankly useless. We can replace it. I was going to do a church because that seems to be making people happy, but I'll replace it for school instead, so I can train 2 people at once. Small merchant caravan came by today. When they saw the state of supplies, just gave through and left. Didn't see anything charity about that again. We had a doozy of a time. Right, so that's fortified. Got me some more defense. That's good. Let's kill some zombies there. Can we kill zombies here, please? Yeah. Turned it into a schoolhouse. Let's boost their building. It takes 2 days, so that should be alright. Zombie attack. The wolf's head. Okay. I wonder what set them off like that. Okay. More than that, I think that even angrier than before. Oh no, we upset the zombies. Obviously you aim for the head, but we've learnt more about zombie physiology from cutting up a bunch of them, so I just should be more effective put them back in their graves now. Cool. So let's search up some more scientist training. And then soldier training? Yeah, okay. I feel like sending them in. Oh, phew, it didn't register. Sending them in, but that's right next to the zombie horde. I can't remember how many it said. We're not going anywhere near that zombie horde. Oh no, 1%. I'm sick of eating ketchup, so I'm sorry. Because your doctor was used alive, he's switching nervous and spell comes out off relating. I don't know. Yes? Dr. Brukhoneko barely introduced himself. He just scurried off to the nearest lab and locked the door. Looks like he might be in there for good, so we have to find another lab for our research. Uh-oh. Decent place to build a farm, alright. Suburbs of farm. Let's do farm. Nah, 2 days is all again. They're not gonna get us going any faster. Let's kill some zombies there. Okay. Zombie attack again. Oh no. Ammo is such a precious thing these days. All we had to do with our training was pulling the trigger and saying pew pew or relying on hunches or faith is a good way to get yourself killed these days. Wow. Okay then. Okay, let's kill some more zombies. I love the music for this. I want to get this on my phone maybe. Down, 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 down. I'm sorry. I got bored. Oh, look, it's another scientist. Well, considering that guy just took our lab. Well, at least he wasn't taking any food, I don't think. I don't know, I didn't check. That's bad. Can we office. Let's kill over there. Go. Should we tend some more crop? No. What am I doing? We need to search for food. Forgot. That's an Olmart. I'm not sure what Olmart is. I think that's... because we just have Powerland. We managed to track them to a fort just outside town. Once we have the resources, I say we fight back against those feet. He demands assistance. Sure, why not? Colin went to help that crazy scientist or whatever research is going on in that lab. I hope he's going to be safe in there. Zed's dead, baby. Zed's dead. Nothing. Raccoons. Nature isn't taking her time reclaiming the city, and neither should we. Wow, are you calling me slow? It's not my fault. I'm new. Let's reclaim the area then. Claim that area. Reclaim that area. Should we scavenge for supplies? Don't even need to do anything there. Nah, scavenge for supplies. Because we don't want running out again. We'll scavenge supplies anywhere I can. But hopefully with the lowest. Okay. Scar spotted a woman passing near our gates and invited her in. She claims to escape the Last Judgment catch. We hear her story and hear her story. Sure. Oh, -3 for that's alright. She lived in the gang's fort outside town where the men are led by the sadistic Father Cain and women are treated as slaves. She escapes since heading out west to live on her own. Aww. Why don't you just fight in here? We need secure 9 city blocks. The squirrels are having a ball in the park now. They've got it all to themselves. We should plough over for the barn instead. That should show the little pest. I took the hash and the pudding, even the roast beef. And a baseball bat. Another baseball bat. Cool. I'm not sure I saw an office before. Let's get the subway. Maybe, just like maybe we can use the trains. Tend some crops. Yeah. Because I know that's not gonna last very long. Have you taken some crops? I don't think you're. It was to buy it for 5 food. Could do more, but I think that might be all we're getting. Offices are relics of bygone era. Wow. Well, okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'm definitely going to continue. This is really fun. I want to at least try and get it. Make a constituency. And I did look at, while I was looking for the Kindle, apparently there are other endings as well you can get. So I have done that. I may look at other endings I can get. Okay, well, thank you for watching. If you like it, please leave a comment and obviously a like. Check out my other videos. I've done more. Check out my Agario, Happy Wheels. I'm definitely going to do a Agario again. And okay, thank you. Bye bye.